This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on an Indian chieftain. Note that some features and accessories shown may not be present on all models and may not represent production vehicles. Starting at the front of the vehicle, inside the headlamp housing, you will find the headlight adjustment screws. On the left side of the bike, you will find the air filter, spark plugs, shift lever, left floorboard, side stand, oil filter, oil cooler, oil dipstick, and passenger foot peg. Remove the left side trim panel to access the fuse box, diagnostic connector, and shock fill port. The left handlebar contains the clutch lever, mirror, toggle switch, horn switch, high beam, low beam, and flash to pass switch, turn signal and hazard warning switch, audio control switch, and screen selection switch. Between the handlebars are the speedometer with fuel gauge, tachometer, ride command display, auxiliary light switch, battery charge port, a storage compartment with USB terminal, fuel cap, ornamental cap, heated hand grip switch, power lock switch, and handlebar lock, which can be locked and unlocked using the key on the key fob. The right handlebar contains the front brake lever, front brake lever adjustment, mirror, toggle switch, front brake fluid reservoir, power switch, engine run, stop, start switch, cruise control switch, windscreen control switch, and throttle twist grip. On the right side of the vehicle you will find the rear brake pedal, rear brake reservoir, right floorboard, passenger foot peg, and the drive belt. Underneath the seat you will find the battery. Behind the seat are the saddlebags and the antenna. The VIN label is located on the chassis frame behind the headlight. The VIN is also stamped on the right front chassis frame behind the headlight. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.